In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive account on Windows 10 in just 5 minutes. OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that allows you to access your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're storing photos, documents, or other important files, OneDrive makes them easily accessible on multiple devices. Creating an account is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once the page loads, look for the Create Account option and give it a click. If you're new to OneDrive, you'll need a Microsoft account. This can be either a new email address or an existing one that you'll use to access Microsoft services. Go ahead and type in the email address you'd like to use. Make sure it's an active email that you can access because you'll be needing it for verification purposes. Once typed in, click on Next. Now it's time to set a password. Choose something secure that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account protected. After you've entered your password, click Next again. You will now be prompted to add your personal details. Enter your name in the appropriate fields. This information is primarily used for account personalization, so make sure to fill this out accurately. When you've completed this section, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to enter your country and birth date. This information is important for setting up your account and ensuring compliance with local laws. Once you've filled this in, click Next once more. An important step in this process is verifying your identity. You will receive a code via email to the address you provided earlier. Check your inbox for this email and enter the code in the space provided on the OneDrive setup page. This step ensures that you are the rightful owner of the email address you've used. After entering the code, click Next. As you proceed to complete the account creation, follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. These might include further personalization options or security settings. Finally, you might need to verify your phone number or email address one last time as an additional security measure. Once you've completed all these steps, congratulations! You've successfully created your OneDrive account. You can now sign in with your Microsoft account details and start uploading files to your new OneDrive space. Remember, signing into OneDrive can be a seamless process if you already have a Microsoft account, making it an efficient way to manage and access your data. Thanks for watching and enjoy using